Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by preparing evidence. This speeds approval. Upload a clear profile photo and fill every profile field because completeness signals legitimacy. Once done, collect a government photo ID if you're a person or official business documents if you're a brand and save them as PDF or JPG. Also compile links to your website, articles, and social presence. Facebook looks for public interest. Make sure to note follower counts and consistent branding. These validate notability and reduce back and forth. You now submit the request within settings. Go to verification and select page or profile. Attach your ID or business documents and write a concise explanation why the badge matters: safety, impersonation risk, or public figure status. Include the official website URL, 3 to 5 press mentions, and links to other verified social accounts. Once submitted, Facebook will send status updates. Keep admins available for questions and avoid changing key details while review is ongoing, because edits can delay the process. You finish by monitoring the review status in settings. Expect days to a few weeks. If approved, verify the badge appears and maintain consistent branding to keep it. If denied, read Facebook's reason carefully, update or add stronger documents and press links, then reapply after addressing specific issues. For stubborn denials, clear inconsistencies across platforms, keep posting publicly and use the support form or help community. Persistence and improved evidence are the key fixes when initial attempts fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.